Hey, what's up, people? Yes, I'm back with another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna be trying my best to finish this build a personal portfolio webpage. Last time we were on the user story. I believe it was uh, 8 from the top of my head. Yeah, so I'm just gonna continue from this one. I'm pretty sure you guys know the drill already. You need to just so you guys, I mean, just to refresh your memory, we are building this kind of a page as our personal portfolio in which it's got our name, our title, and some of the projects we have done, and so on and so forth. Alright, close this one, and now last time we did until the title, so I designed the title paragraph, which is over here. So now we want to move on to one heading and bring it a bit in the middle. So for that one, I'm going to be creating the I'm going to be putting the height of the welcome section equal to the height of the screen. Okay, so for that I'm gonna go into welcome section, and here I'm gonna say height height colon 100% of the view height. Okay, that's gone down. Okay, perfect. And I also want to change my heading font size to be a bit smaller because I think that's a bit big. So let's do that as 5. Yeah, that would do the work for now. Right, now that's out of the way, we need to move on. Actually, I want to change the background color of the welcome screen as well. So let me just bring my background color, which I've already selected, to be a bit dark, to be as the same font color of this link text. Alright, and now we can move on to our next section, which is, oh, guess what? Have a guess. Yes, you're right, our projects section, in which we're going to be showcasing, or you can say showing off our hard work. Right, exciting, isn't it? Perfect. So I'm gonna be designing. Actually, let me create a layout first of how I want my project section to look like. So essentially, I need it to look similar to this. All right. So it's using a grid of three columns, which are equally sized, and we're going to be using our grid layout. And yeah, right, shall we get started? Let's get started, shall we? So project, and I'm going to give this a class for CSS purposes, project section. Alright, and this one I've got that, and then I'm going to be also giving it a heading. So close the heading, Okay, perfect. And for this class can be project header section, right? And in there my title for that section goes, which is my awesome, because I love my projects and I love what I do. Awesome projects, because my projects are always awesome. Excuse me. Sorry about that. That was a bit disgusting, isn't it? Apologies. It just came out of the blue. I should get punished. Let me think. What can be my what can my punish be? Yeah, I need to finish this video within 30 minutes. Alright, that's my punish now. So hurry, hurry, hurry. Run my awesome projects. Oops. And then I want a grid. I want a grid in which all my projects go. So I'm gonna create a div for that. And I'm gonna give that a class, say projects grid, a very meaningful name. Alright, and in that grid I'm gonna have links, anchor tags. Okay, so I'm just for seeing purposes I'm gonna make 3 projects, okay, which ultimately means 3 links, and that can go to my wherever I click and I want the destination to be at, and I'm gonna open this in a new tab. So I'm gonna set target. No, why am I doing target and new blank? Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna also give this a class of project title, project title, no, sorry, my bad, project title. So remember I created this link. We will come back to this one shortly. Okay, and then I'm gonna give this link. Okay, so you can you can remove this title link because we're gonna be adding it in the link anchor tag part here. Alright, so paragraph can be and class. I want to give you a class as my project tile. Looks clear now. Alright, now that our why is it not refreshing? Title of the project. What did I do here? Save this pen. I need the updated version code pen. Okay. I hope it will just be properly by itself. Right. Actually, let me refresh it. Okay, yeah, so I just had to refresh it. Perfect. That's it. So now I'm gonna be designing this project section here. So which is my project section. Yeah. So this is rules properties for that project section. Alright, so for this one I need to centerline the text line, center the entire content. So that would be text line, and that can be center. Alright, there we go. Perfect. That's in the center now, and I want that to have a margin. No, sorry, padding, which is so I want to give you my tip here. You know, there's a short form padding, as in if you don't want to write padding left, padding right, padding bottom, padding top individually four in four lines to make you remember it. Uh, and so to make myself remember it, I normally do just a padding as a shorthand. So top, left, bottom, right. That's just my way of remembering. So the top one I want to make it 5 rem, and the bottom one as well the same, and the left one I want to make it 2 rem, and right 2 as well. Okay, perfect. That's come there. And now we're gonna move to this paragraph here, which is the pro heading 2. Alright, header 2 element. Okay, so keep that class, so project section header. Now I want the max width of it to be 600 pixels. Yep, that's fine. Margin, I want it to be C, again the same tip, T L B R. So margin top, I want it to be 0. Margin left, auto. Margin bottom, 6 rem, and margin right, I want it to be as auto as well. And then I want to underline the text, but I want to underline it in a way that I don't overlap. I don't cut the Y and the J, otherwise see it won't look good to the user. Text decoration underline. Text decoration underline. This one was supposed to be border bottom. Let's give it 2 rem solid. that be alright? Why is this not underlining it? Header section, have I done anything wrong? Project, header section, project. Ah, this is why. Silly mistakes, eh? Oops. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you why I didn't use underline text. And you'll see my point as well. Pretty sure. Oops. Okay. Text decoration underline. See this, the lines cutting J and Y, which is not really presentable, isn't it? So that's why we use border bottom, because it doesn't cut over the two letters. But this is a bit too much, a bit too wide. So, I mean thick. So what I'm gonna do is use 0.2 or 5. Nah, it's still too thick. No, 2. That looks a bit alright. Again, now that's done, I want to change the text style of the header as well, and the size. So I'm gonna change the size first, which is 2 rem. How would that do? Oops. That doesn't. Font size 2.5 rem. Ah, okay. There we go. Yeah, that looks better. Or a bit bigger. Nah, this is too big now. 2.5 is fine. Yep. Alright, and I want to use font family. I want to use the font Arial. Yep, not bad at all. And I want to align it center. Center line this. And I want to change the color as well to my pre-chosen color. Oopsie. Yep, that's not too bad at all. We're getting somewhere now, isn't it? Well done, guys. You're doing pretty well until now. Keep up the good work. Right. Now we've done our header element 2 is done, and now we need to come on our project grid. Alright. So I'm gonna create a class called project grid. Like I said, that we're going to be using the grid layout. So display is grid, and I want even columns. I mean columns spread evenly. So I'm going to use the grid template columns property and give it auto. Now you must be thinking that why I'm putting 3 autos here. So the number of autos are the columns. So I've got 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay, which means I'm gonna get 3 columns grid, and then auto is for the sizing of it. So I want to have the 3 columns evenly spread of equal size, if you want to say it that way. Alright, okay, and now we've done this one. Now it's time for our link elements. Alright, so project title, we need, alright, I'm gonna paste one pictures so that you kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about this property. Alright, okay guys, so what I've done here is I've pasted in this picture as in a random picture of a car, just to show you how this grid template column works. So this is our first column, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and paste this column, this tag 3 times. So I've got 3 columns then, and oh, why is it coming in one column only? Oh, what have I done wrong here? Let's see. Yeah, project section. Yeah, so this is our project grid. Project grid. This is why. Project. I entered the wrong name. Again. Why? Columns. That's why. Alright, see, this is what I meant. So now probably this picture is a bit too big. That's why it's cutting up. But we'll come to that. We'll come to that later. Or if you want, you can delete one row and it would be fine. See, here we go. Perfect. And we can delete one row from here. So this is our link. Alright. So yeah, there we go. So now we need to move on to our tile, which is this one here. Alright, now let's move on to that, and our tile is in the p tags, so we're gonna give it, say first it will be the tribute page, and then what was our second project on free code camp? I think it was the survey form. Actually, forget about the survey. Now I don't want to forget about this survey form, so I'll give this survey form as well. Survey form. Alright. So that's gonna appear at the bottom here. That's looking pretty good, isn't it? Alright, now I'm gonna design these p tags, which is a paragraph elements. Project, which is this one. So p projectile. I want the font to be a bit big, so I'm gonna do size 1 rem. No, it doesn't make a difference, does it? No, too small. Too small. Actually, 5. Yeah, that's not too bad now. And I need the padding. Shorten that tip again. T for top. L for left. B for bottom. R for right. And for the top, I want the padding of 2 rem. For the left, so this part here, I want the padding of say 0.5 rem. For the bottom, which is at the bottom there, let's have the padding 2 rem. And on the right, it's the same as the left. Alright, that looks alright until now, isn't it? Cool. Now I need to change the font family, the font to Arial. Keep it consistent always, and I don't wanna decorate the text, so I'll do text decoration none. Okay, and when I hover on this, it should be a pointer, not a normal cursor. So I'll do cursor and then pointer. Perfect. Save it. So now that that's out of the way, now I will leave you guys to change the image to correspond to your previous projects that you've already built. I'm assuming you guys have it saved up in your PC or GitHub. Just open up the project in the browser, take a screenshot or whatever, and then you can save the image and then upload it here. I'm not gonna upload it at the moment, but I'm gonna do it afterwards. Alright, so let's continue to the section, which is actually I want to change the background color too of the projectile. So what if we do background color to be the same as our header color, which was this one. Let's see if I can. Whoa, no, we don't want this. No. So we wanna put the background text here, like we were trying to do before, but it was really ugly, isn't it? So let's try another way. Let me give it a max width as well for 500. No, sorry, 500. this one. No, we don't really want it covering up the entire line. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make the title equal to the width of the image, so it looks a bit presentable. Alright, so but first I'm going to set the title to come at the center. So again, TLBR 0 auto 0 auto. Alright, or even shorter, this one in this form. It means first values for the top and bottom, and second values for left and right. Okay, so we'll do top and bottom 0, left and right auto. Cool, and max width, let's see this way. How is it possible to do it? So we want the width to become equivalent to our image width, so in that way we can try smaller numbers. Let's go bigger. Let's try 550. No, it's still not working right. What did I do wrong here? So here the entire one. I don't want it to be on the entire thing. I want it to be just on the title. Yep. Yep. That one's perfect. And title. This one's perfect. So change both the title, as in the. I've had the class name wrong, so. Oh, sorry. Title and title. No. What's going on here? So this should be 550. Yep. Forgot to insert the colon. Yep. Perfect. Here we go. So that one's until now is working, and I don't want any underlines in that one. So I would so now change the color to the ones that I've got in my links. At the top, I want it to be consistent. Change it to this one. Alright, looks good. Okay. And now somehow we need to change the link, the underlines of the link. Text decoration none. Right, I guess I'm gonna have to continue on in the next video. So stay tuned, and if you have time, continue on the next video in order to complete your personal portfolio. Alright guys, I'll see you then.